In a world where water was scarce, a wise elder spoke to the villagers. "Our wetlands are the guardians," she said. "They cleanse the water, like a sieve for our future." The villagers watched as the wetlands absorbed the murky water, releasing it clear and pure. "It's magic," a child exclaimed. "No," the elder smiled. "It's nature's gift." Inspired, the villagers vowed to protect the wetlands, understanding their vital role. "Together we thrive," they chanted, planting trees and nurturing the land. The wetlands flourished, and so did the village, a testament to harmony with nature.